Hey guys, it's Corey with Guaranty. I'm just going to show you this Bay Hill EverGreen 340 RK. So right here we have this pass-through storage. It's super big. This is probably one of the bigger ones I've seen ever. And right here we have your propane tank. There will be one exactly like this on the other side too. And then over here we have this spot right here where you can fit all your things. You got an awning on the slide out. On the inside, we have this huge open floor plan. You got couch here, couch there, TV here, solid surface countertops. We got a dishwasher right here, sink covers, you got a split sink, 3-burner stove, very large fridge and freezer. This is my favorite part about it. The pantry is huge. Got a fireplace right here. Beautiful lighting fixture. Ceiling fan. Your stairs take you upstairs in this side of the unit instead of by the door, which is unique. Here's your bathroom. Now on this one you do have a little closet right here in the corner. You can put your toilet paper there and stuff. And right here is where you can stick your side-by-side washer and dryer unit. It's huge actually. You could probably stick a little bit more than just that. And then we have a full walk-around bed inside. This is a very big bed. Your closet's right here. You have a dresser right here. These sides open up. And then we have a TV right there. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Corey Bystead. You can call me at 541-735-1535.